Hello, Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting project for you. Today, we're diving into the world of image manipulation and computer vision as we explore the fascinating process of cartoonifying images using Python. I'm your host, Sharjeel, and let's embark on this creative adventure together. It's the art of transforming real-life photographs into stylized, cartoon-like images. From vibrant colors to exaggerated features, cartoons add a touch of whimsy and imagination to ordinary scenes. Here is an example. Let's start the code. First, install OpenCV and wait for installation. Now CV2. This is the OpenCV library, a popular computer vision library used for various image and video processing tasks in Python. rparse. This is a module in the Python standard library used for parsing command line arguments and options. sys. This is a module in the Python standard library that provides access to some variables used or maintained by the Python interpreter and functions that interact strongly with the interpreter. Users can specify the input and output paths via command line arguments when running the script. The OpenCV library, CV2, will likely be used later in the script to perform image processing tasks. This line defines a function named Cartoonizer that takes the name of an image file as input. cv2.imread image_name. This function from the OpenCV library, CV2, loads the image specified by image_name into memory and stores it in the variable image. cv2.bilateral filter. This function applies a bilateral filter to the input image d = 9, diameter of each pixel neighborhood. Sigma color = 75, filter sigma in the color space. Sigma space = 75, filter sigma in the coordinate space. The filtered image is stored in the variable smoothened. cv2.cvtcolor. This function converts the smoothed image smoothened from BGR color space to grayscale, storing the result in grander. cv2.adaptive threshold. This function performs adaptive thresholding on the grayscale image to create an edge mask. cv2.adaptive method for thresholding. cv2.thresh_binary, thresholding type. 9. Size of the pixel neighborhood used to calculate the threshold value. 9. Constant subtracted from the mean or weighted mean. The resulting edge mask is stored in the variable edges. cv2.bitwise_. This function performs a bitwise and operation between the smoothened image and itself using the edge mask edges. This operation effectively applies the edges as a mask to the smoothened image, resulting in a cartoon-like effect. The resulting image is stored in the variable tone. This line constructs the file name for the cartooned image by prefixing cartooned_ to the original image name. cv2.imwrite. This function saves the cartooned image to _cartoon to the disk with the file name specified by cartooned_image. cv2.imshow. This function displays the cartooned image to _cartoon in a window titled cartooned image. cv2.waitKey. 0. This function waits indefinitely until a key is pressed. When a key is pressed, it returns the ASCII value of the key. cv2.destroy all windows. This function closes all OpenCV windows. This function takes an input image, applies various image processing techniques to create a cartoon-like effect, saves the resulting image, and displays it to the user. rparse.argument parser. This creates an argument parser object named parser, which handles parsing command line arguments. Description. This parameter sets the description for the program that will be displayed when the user requests help, or help. Parser.add_argument. This method adds an argument to the parser. And image. These are the short and long versions of the argument flag, respectively. Help. This parameter provides a description of the argument that will be displayed in the help message. Dest = image. This parameter specifies the destination attribute where the argument value will be stored. This line returns the argument object containing the parsed command line arguments. This function serves to parse command line arguments related to specifying an image file to be processed or cartoonified. If no image is provided, it prompts the user to specify one and exits the program. This line calls the getInterSend argument function to parse the command line arguments related to specifying an image to be processed. The parsed arguments are stored in the image_args variable. Python. This line calls the Cartoonizer function with the path to the image file obtained from the parsed arguments image_args.image. The Cartoonizer function will then process the specified image to create a cartoon-like effect. Overall, these two lines of code together parse the command line arguments to obtain the path to the image file and then use that path as input to the Cartoonizer function for further processing. And there you have it, your complete guide to cartoonifying images using Python. We hope this tutorial has sparked your creativity and inspired you to explore the endless possibilities of image manipulation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials and creative projects. Happy coding, and we'll see you in the next video.